Incredibly tender, fall-apart, slow-roasted meats don't have to be exclusive to restaurants. With your Spirit 2 barbecue, you can create those amazing meals in your very own home. The convenience and versatility of the Spirit 2 allows you to transform the barbecue for low and slow cooking in a matter of seconds, giving you low, consistent heat for hours, whilst your meat is slowly cooking away with that Weber flavour. We'll be using the indirect low and slow method today to cook sweet and spicy pork ribs. We'll also show you how to make the perfect sweet and sticky sauce. To get our ribs started and to build up that incredible flavour, we're going to start with a spice rub. In a bowl, place brown sugar, salt, smoked paprika for a touch of smokiness, garlic powder, onion powder, ground cumin, pepper, and last but not least, cayenne pepper for a little kick of heat. Now mix all of these ingredients together. Here's our pork ribs. When you buy your ribs, ask the butcher to remove this membrane from the back. If you want to remove the membrane yourself, gently start the process by sliding a butter knife along the cut edge of the bone. Once started, pull the membrane gently off the ribs. To give you a better grip, as this can be a little tricky, use some paper towel or some chucks. And now coat both sides with a spice mix. Gently rub the seasonings into the meat. Now, if desired, you can cover these with plastic wrap and refrigerate for an hour to marinate, but we're going to cook these straight away. Now it's time to preheat our barbecue, which is something you must do every time you cook on your Spirit 2. To light your barbecue, turn your gas bottle on. Turn the left-hand control knob to the start high position and then immediately press your igniter button. When preheating for low and slow barbecuing, adjust the left-hand burner to medium and leave the centre and right burner off. Preheat with the lid closed for 10 minutes. Now that the barbecue is preheated, put the ribs on the right-hand side of the grill. Or if you have one, you can use a Weber rib rack to stand your ribs in. Leave the left-hand burner on medium and leave the other burners switched off. Close the lid and cook for about 4 hours. Now that our ribs have been slowly cooking away for about 3.5 hours, it's time to make the sweet and sticky sauce. In a saucepan over low heat, melt some butter. Add onion and cook for a few minutes or until the onion has softened. Next, add the tomato sauce, whiskey, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, honey, cayenne pepper, and finally some garlic powder. Cook for a further 10 minutes over high heat or until thick and sticky, making sure to stir the sauce regularly. Now that our ribs have been cooking away for 4 hours, it's time to baste them with our sauce. Using a basting brush, brush the ribs with the sauce on both sides. Close the lid and cook them for another hour. However, every 20 minutes, open the lid and baste the ribs again and again. You will end up with the most tender, juicy, delicious ribs you have ever tasted. Just look at them. Remember, all the information you need to get the best out of your Weber Spirit 2 and the full recipes can be found in your barbecue handbook or on our website.